Okay, please. We were discussing this question PA16. So, have you done the transactions like this, please?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, your first transaction is of prepaid rent, 2000 debit, cash credit. ऐसा ही है? किसी ने ये ना किया हो? Somebody has done it wrongly. Okay, I believe everybody.
डन सर।
Second transaction
सर
में
मैंने रेंट एक्सपेंस लिखा है।
मैं ये चीज देखे ना जी, आप ट्रांजैक्शन को पढ़िएगा। On the first day of the month, paid rent for the current month. So this is for current month. So you're paying rent in advance. It's a prepaid, not expense.
ओके सर।
At the end of the month, it will become expense, but at the start, it's not your expense. So the next transaction was that on 10th day of month, paid prior month balance due on accounts 3100. So that means accounts payable of 3100 has been paid. So that is why cash credit and account payable debit. And then third transaction, which is C, in which he states that on the 12th of the month, collected cash for services provided, already provided, 5500. So 5500 debit and account receivable, जो previously थे।
सर क्रेडिट में सर्विसेज नहीं आएगा?
अच्छा, अब इसमें दोनों एस्पेक्ट आपके आ सकते हैं। और सर्विसेज प्रोवाइडेड के एस्पेक्ट में अगर हम बात करें 5500 आ जाते हैं। लेकिन अगर आप पिछली ट्रांजेक्शन की कंटिन्यूशन में देखेंगे, पेबल्स पे किए हैं तो रिसीवेबल्स रिसीव किए हैं। तो उस एंगल से ये भी आप कर सकते हैं। अगर आप लिखना चाहें अकाउंट रिसीवेबल की जगह लेट्स से सर्विस रेवेन्यू, so that is also fine, both are fine। ठीक है, सर्विस रेवेन्यू भी अगर आपने लिखा है 5500 का, दैट इज फाइन। And then fourth transaction was on 21st day of month, paid salaries to the employees 3600. So you paid salaries, so this is your salary expense, and you paid obviously by cash. So your cash will be credited. The last transaction is that he paid dividend of
सर इसमें महीना खत्म तो नहीं हुआ?
So हमें ये भी तो नहीं पता कि उसने एम्प्लॉइज को कब हायर किया।
सही।
सो कुछ चीज़ें जो है ना वो हम अज्यूम कर लेते हैं। सर्विसेज उनका मंथ पूरा हो रहा है, उसका सैलरी का साइकिल 20 का होगा क्या पता। जैसे आप पाकिस्तान में देखते हैं अक्सर बैंक का जो सैलरी का साइकिल है वो 26 ऑफ मंथ होता है। जो गवर्नमेंट इंस्टीट्यूशन है उनका लास्ट लास्ट वर्किंग डे ऑफ मंथ या यकम होता है। तो ये अकॉर्डिंगली जो है वो मैनेज होती रहती है। अच्छा, ये 5 ट्रांजैक्शन हो गई, इनके पी अकाउंट्स बन गए हमारे पास।
यस
Yes, sir.
सर।
Okay. And then have you posted them to the trial balance?
नॉट येट, वर्किंग ऑन इट सर।
जैन ने अगर आपको 10 मिनट इन 5 ट्रांजैक्शंस के लिए दिए जाएं तो यानी आप तो गए। ऐसे ही हुआ ना।
Trial balance is also
Prepaid rent, मैं डायरेक्टली जो है वो ट्रायल बैलेंस के हेड्स लिख रहा हूँ। आप लोग अपनी वर्किंग करते रहे।
ओके सर।
डन सर।
जी क्या हो रहा है बैलेंस?
Sir, 9500.
ऐसे ही आ रहा है जी। कैश इसमें क्रेडिट साइड पे आ रहा है 4000 का।
Yes, sir.
क्योंकि
जी सर।
कैश का
Yes, sir.
नेगेटिव बैलेंस है, इस वजह से वो क्रेडिट साइड पे जाएगा। Okay, any queries from this question, please? Anybody having any confusion? Okay, fine. Okay, one last thing for the day is I've shared number of questions with you on Google Classroom. Practice questions which we were just doing in the class as well. So, what I'll be doing is we have these accounting questions, set one, which is available. So I'm giving you all these questions in time. I'll be creating in the Google Classroom. So you're required to attempt all these questions. And accounting question set one as an assignment. So this will be your assignment number one, obviously. So assignment number one, deadline is 20th, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hopefully, we'll be having next classes in January, I believe. So 25th December, midnight is the deadline for this assignment confirmed. You have to attempt all these questions, whatever the requirements in the question sets are, you're required to fulfill these. For example, I'll be better to discuss some of these. For example, if we start with the first question, What is the requirement? For each of the following transactions, write the principal assumptions and concept that justifies or explains what occurred. So you have to describe the transaction and how would you be recording. A landscaper received the customer's order and cashed the payment to install SOD at a house that would not be ready for installation until March of next year. The owner should record the revenue from the customer order in March of next month, not in December of this year. So this is just the information. So revenue is to be recorded in next March, not now. So this is the information. So you'll have to write it as that this transaction cannot be recorded as this is just the information. Next transaction is the company divides its income statement into 4 quarters of the year. This is also an information. Then the third transaction is land is purchased for 205,000 cash. So now this is a transaction that needs to be recorded. The land is reported on the balance sheet of the purchaser to. So we'll move on to the next question, assuming the account balance is what is the missing value. So assets is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. So you have asset as 865,430 and you have equity as 759,121. So if you take the difference, you'll find the liabilities. And similarly, you have certain short questions and certain long questions. So you'll have to attempt all these questions which are given here, and different formats of questions are required. You have attempted some 4 or 5 questions from this exercise already. So these are not much, only 21 questions minus 5 questions already attempted. So this makes it 15, 16 questions for your practice. So you're required to submit it by next Friday, midnight in Google Classroom. Any queries, please?
Okay, sir.
Okay, then see you when we resume our classes. Not sure when. Most probably from second week of January, I believe. Allah Hafiz till then.
Thank you, sir.
Allah
Allah Hafiz,
Hafiz,
sir.
sir.